Asado is more than food. It is fire, patience, and respect for the meat. Today, we prepare a traditional Argentinian asado.
Choose high-quality beef with natural fat. Asado relies on the meat's flavor, not heavy seasoning. Only coarse salt is used. No marinades. No spices. This keeps the taste pure. The fire must be calm. Strong flames burn the meat. Gentle embers cook it perfectly.
Place the meat slowly. Let it cook without rushing. Asado is cooked low and slow. The meat cooks for a long time. It becomes tender, smoky, and deeply flavorful.
Turn the meat only once. This keeps it juicy and evenly cooked.
Let the meat rest before slicing. This locks in the juices and enhances the flavor.
Asado is not fast food. It is tradition, fire, and time, served simply and enjoyed slowly.